politics, no, 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 no. Damn, I wish I took those slower. Yeah, yeah.
Hard track.
Dude, you're the one controlling the Instagram, Mason.
I know.
Yeah, you just keep doing what you're doing, man.
I don't know. Sounds like whatever you want. I was like, okay.
Basically, yeah, do whatever you want, man.
Yeah, you support my brand.
Yeah,
Awesome.
Tristan Ledoux, huh?
No, Carson, dude. It's my seriously.
That's how we're. Dude, where were you the other day, man?
What do you mean? Oh, dude, yeah, we had a Sears. I hope that's
A Sears like sponsored event?
Yeah.
Really? They have that?
Yeah, dude.
But no one works.
Gabe and I did fucking wheelies.
What? In what?
A lawnmower, dude.
What the hell?
Holy shit. I got some.
Are you going out?
Yeah.
Later, Jake.
Jeez. That's okay.
What springs do you have?
Me?
Yeah.
The young Eibach.
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 There was like no brand for my car. Dude, watch out, man. I almost
like-
died.
We tripping.
No, there's like HKS or HK springs, and then there's like Eibach, and then some.
Dude, for my car, there's like no aftermarket parts.
Did I just fucking cut my shift knob or cut my
No.
thing and just thread it?
Just right? I don't know.
Oh, I mean,
Yeah, bro. I have a
you can do
short
that.
shifter.
I can 3D print you one.
Dude, yeah, Mason 3D print like a dildo or something like that.
No.
It's the same idea.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
mean technically.
They make a shift knob that lights up. It's like changes colors, programmable.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the LEDs and with the first, second, third.
Yeah.
What's that sound? Oh, I heard moaning. So.
Fucking wife or something.
Nigga, what is competition? It's some common bitchin' on, it's just a lot of victims slaughter to my composition. Nigga, I was on a mission, living in the bottom, hottest saunas, eating chili pepper sweaters and a lot of friction sitting on the sun. It was written, I'm the one. Nigga, if I rule the world, they get the messages in blood. Heaven send them, bring them hell just like a Eva, then I'm done. Ever since I dropped Relina, I was even with the Huns. Bitch, a killer that track when I'm spilling that crack.
So,
My militia rate a biller, I'm a villain that's
The
black
first
back,
part is the
killing
alt
that.
And that's all I got for you guys in this video.
What's up, Zon? Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Update here for just the 240 SX build. We just out here chilling on a 65-degree day in Lacey, Washington, at the crib. You already know, rain northwest style. We
No.
do good.
I just fixed my camera. I had to reformat the SD card.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because it kept like stopping.
Oh.
Yeah, it was annoying. Tristan got that BBS rims. I should probably charge my battery.
Tristan, your parents' home.
No. Look at this though. Just look at it. Hey Tristan, why are you cutting the hanger off?
VTech.
VTech.
Dude, the battery's almost dead. Quote of the year.
I know. I got extra battery. But I always like come with.
Got VTech.
Yeah. Shit.
Dude.
Got the
Fuck.
intake hooked up.
Fuck,
The
dude.
piping all ready to go. That's
Hopefully this was the right one I cut.
dude. Boost.
Turbo, bro.
Nice.
It's not that large.
Have you tried starting it?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it kind of starts.
kind of starts. That's cool.
I'd rather not have it running with
No. Yeah.
fluids at all.
That's cool though.
My hood has VTEC.
Oh, your hood has VTEC?
That's the VTEC spot right there. I had VTEC too hard on my VTEC pistons.
Mm-hmm. VTEC pistons.
My hood.
Does anyone remember your VTEC solenoid, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You fixed it though.
Uh-huh. What about Zach? He has VTEC. He has VVTI.
He's excellent.
Dude, I got VTEC. It's called Boost.
VTEC boost, same thing.
Chase was like, my VTEC's gonna hit like Boost. And I'm like, shut the fuck up, Chase, dude.
Oh.
No, it isn't. That's not a thing.
Alright, want me to help you out down there, Tristan? Do you still use my vape?
Yeah. Don't
Oh
post
my.
this.
What?
Don't post this.
Why not?
Because his parents are gonna find out.
His parents don't watch my videos.
Yes, they do.
They're not. Are they subscribed?
Yeah.
Really?
Tanya Schultz.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, you're
Dude, did you hear what happened? Wait, never mind. I won't tell you.
What?
Never mind.
Nah, you gotta fill us in.
Nah.
You can't just say shit like that and not tell us, my boy.
Oh.
What happened?
I'll tell you later.
First of all, stop. If you're gonna tell us.
thing?
Huh?
Are you recording? Oh.
Oh yeah.
Wait, what happened?
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Hold on, what happened?
I saw it.
Pause it real quick. What happened?
Okay, I'll be click him with this.
Fucking put on the wrong pair of headphones and shit.
Just took 10 shots and I ain't passed out. Spent $100,000 and I ain't
I used the hammer to hold it up because the log wasn't big enough.
I'll take this one out because it's too small.
A bolt?
Yeah, I already got it.
Okay.
This is the easiest one, so it should be. Okay, I think you should be able to let go now.
Alright, right now?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It stays.
Close it with this, it's gonna be really cool.
Alright, we'll slide out a bit.
You have a drill press? You have a drill? Alright, I can press right here.
I don't know though. I have to figure it out.
Okay.
My car is there.
Alright, bro, just like make a marker. Do you want to get like a Sharpie or something like that, or just remember like.
Give it a shot. It'd be cool.
No, come back in. Oh!
Can't even see your face.
I am not a god, I am not a man. I am not a star, I am not a fan. I am not a king or a peasant. I'm a being, I'm a presence, I'm a thing, I'm a weapon. I walk the abyss and caught me and fitted. It's obvious that anonymous body, them niggas spitting them sky.